The iQOO 9 Pro 5G in Legend Color runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile processor for seamless multitasking. The product features 8 GB RAM for smooth performance, with Funtage OS 12 based on Android 12. It has a 4700 mAh battery and 5G connectivity for fast internet speeds. It also includes 256 GB storage and supports dual SIM Nano. Experience fast charging, 4K video recording, fingerprint sensor, wireless charging, dual SIM, and GPS all in one device. Unlock in seconds with 3D ultrasonic large fingerprint sensor while enjoying a cinematic view on screen. Dual Pixel Pro camera captures stunning images in all light conditions. Intelligent display chip ensures the smoothest user experience. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinions to guide your decision-making process. For further information, visit the product detail page.